Today, we're diving into a showdown between two powerful AI-driven platforms, InVideo AI and Fliki AI. These innovative tools are commonly utilized for streaming workflows, enhancing productivity, and driving business success. Let's explore their features, pricing structures, user experience, pros and cons, and alternative options. Let's start things off by a look at these two programs' main features. InVideo AI features include
Intuitive Editor. InVideo AI offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, making it easy for users to create stunning videos without any prior editing experience. Extensive Media Library. With access to a vast library of stock footage, images, and music tracks, InVideo AI provides users with all the resources they need to bring their vision to life. Templates and presets. InVideo AI offers a wide range of customizable templates and presets, allowing users to create professional-looking videos in minutes. Text-to-video technology. InVideo AI's text-to-video technology automatically converts text content into engaging videos, saving users time and effort.
Fliki AI features include Task Automation. Fliki AI empowers users to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives and increase overall efficiency. Project Management. With Fliki AI's project management tools, users can organize tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and track progress seamlessly, facilitating collaboration and driving results. Natural Language Processing. Fliki AI utilizes advanced natural language processing algorithms to understand user inputs and provide contextually relevant recommendations and insights, enhancing productivity and decision-making. Integrations. Fliki AI integrates with a wide range of popular tools and platforms such as Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and CRM systems, enabling seamless connectivity and data synchronization across the ecosystem. In terms of pricing, InVideo AI offers a tiered subscription model starting from $20 per month for the business plan, while Fliki AI provides a free plan with limited features and premium plans starting from $29.99 per month per user. Both platforms offer scalable pricing options based on features and user requirements, with discounts available for annual subscriptions. The user experience of InVideo AI is characterized by its user-friendly interface, extensive template library, and responsive customer support. On the other hand, Fliki AI offers a seamless user experience with intuitive task management, personalized recommendations, and comprehensive knowledge resources. InVideo AI excels in video editing capabilities and template variety, making it ideal for content creators and marketers. However, its pricing may be prohibitive for small businesses. Fliki AI, while offering robust task automation and project management features, may have a steeper learning curve for new users. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on individual preferences and business needs. Alternatives to InVideo AI and Fliki AI include platforms like Trello, Asana, Monday.com, and ClickUp, each offering unique features and pricing structures to cater to diverse user requirements. In conclusion, both InVideo AI and Fliki AI offer compelling features and functionalities for streamlining workflows and enhancing productivity. While InVideo AI may be preferable for video-centric content creation, Fliki AI shines in task automation and project management. Ultimately, the better choice depends on the specific needs and priorities of the user. Sign up for a free trial of both platforms to experience their capabilities firsthand. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insights and tips on optimizing your digital tools and workflows. Thank you for watching.